Alright guys, so me see the shoes stand here and Shein. And me decide say yeah, I go get it. I pick it up yesterday. So the amount of shoes playing at this place, yeah. Between myself, my daughter, and my husband. I have one shoes bag that holds only my shoes. Then I have a bin like thing, not a bin, you know, not a garbage bin, that I put my daughter's shoes in. I wanted to get some more shoe bag, but it's space. You know, if you hang up this one heap of shoe bag and all of these things. So I only purchased one and I put my shoes. Well, some of my shoes. Sometimes I don't believe me, say me a whole heap of boot. Cause Lord Jesus. Sometimes it come like waste of money. Cause more time I just live in a 1 and 2. Buy new and wear a couple time. Buy new wear a couple time. And then that's it. Buy new wear for special occasion. And then that's it. But I see this shoe bag on Shein and I think it was a good deal. And the price, Lord have mercy, the price was good. Took me get it for $41. This doesn't look like a my husband. I figure assemble this one. I love trying to do one thing, but this look like a boy that figure put this together. Buy for $41. And it's coming down for, well, the price I miss what they say $100 for it, but what they say they did have, me remember what they say they have, whatever, but me get it for the $41. Me see it and me just grab it, me say look good and let me go for it. You have the top part where me can put like my bags and so forth on. Yeah, so I'll put it together, or if I can't, my husband will do it and I'll show you guys. The amount of parts for assembly pan the shoe rack there. Shoes rack there. I mash up my meds in the night. So guess what? I just pull it out and I just left in my glare room around there. So as my husband bust the door and come through, I'm going to see it presenting. So I'm going to know say I assemble if you assemble it. Go lie down side of my one picking and relax myself. Eh? Gone in bed, guys. Gone in bed. Yes, guys. So I'm excited about my new shoes. I can call it shoes rack, or I call it shoe stand, whatever they want to call it, me a shoe stand. So I'm excited about it. Guys, me tell us I'm not no space. But when I decide to me I get it, idea just come to me and say, yeah, you're gonna move them something in front here, so, and you're gonna put them out there, so, yeah, and you're gonna put it right there, so. So my next space for it. Alright, yeah. So you might see when Mr. Boyd is doing the installation. I'm gonna just show you when it's done. I'm gonna pack up my shoes down on it, our shoes on it, so you can hold like what up to 80 shoes. I'm gonna think we have 80 shoes put together. I think we have so much pairs of shoes. We have shoesies, but I think we have so much Alright, so that I got propel me now. If you go buy more shoes, especially for Alina, but Jesus. But yeah, so you'll see it. I'm looking forward to see how it looks. If it looks like what I saw on Shein and what I am expecting. Hmm? So yeah, stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. Help me grow. Alright? Each one help one. The channel that gives you versatility. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Mix up and blend. Hmm? Yeah, man. Yes, so mix up the thing. Something is there for everybody to enjoy. I'm gonna have some new ideas coming to me as it relates to my profession. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about introducing some new content as it relates to my profession on here. So you can look out for that. If not this year, possibly next year, because I have to put certain things together, certain things in place, because girl want to ensure say whatever she's putting out there. Yes, so possibly next year. Alright. Hear myself then. Okay. Put it in. Mhm. Put it in. Alright guys, so look at it. Look at it. I am just loving it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tiers, and then let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, because the top one here I didn't check. See the top? I don't know if you can see the top. See the top? You can rest your bag up there. And yes, and then guess what? More is left because my husband didn't want to make it too tall. So he's gonna use that one, and that one will be for Alina. So that one is gonna be about three tiers. So I am just gonna put that one in her room with her shoe. Hey, I love it, guys. The shoes rock. Organizer. Whoa. It feel good. I'm proud of myself. This is definitely value. Watch me husband at shouting shoes and watch him. This is definitely value for money. This one is for Alina. Yes, man. Girl, get her own shoe. Oh my God. I can't complain, Shein. Shein, I can't complain. Oh, I can't complain. It's definitely value for money. Guys, and I can give that try. Give it a try. Yeah, man. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye. Yes, guys, very just giving you another glimpse. I have started populating. Yay! Look good, not you guys. Yes, man, I'm proud of myself. Lord Jesus. Yes, man. It's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. And see, Madam Alina there. Yeah. Yes, a girl start populate our thing. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? You're getting ready with me. It's another busy Saturday morning vlog, eh? Yes, man, me there. I get ready to go on a funeral. From my previous clippings, I know that you would have seen my nice shoe rocks, right? One turned into two, and they're looking lovely, guys. I really like them. I really love them. I used to fix them up nice and good. Not sure if you're proud of me, not sure. Hey, so may I get ready and now, guys. May I go on funeral. Time is against me. From the get up from morning, may I work. May I work. And after I finish washing, I have one load in the machine there right now. I'm gonna have two other loads. So those will have to stay until I get back from the funeral. So it's one of my church sister passed. She was a shut-in, so you know, one of them elderly there. So yeah, I'm going out to give my support. But time is against me. Drive is not here as yet. Drive is not here as yet, guys, but I know time is against me because I just don't want to hear nobody call me. Say drive come, because they're not even me here. I'm here, no look out yet. Guys, I see on a Saturday morning, for me to leave my home on a Saturday morning, it takes great sacrifice, trust me. You know, thank you sacrifice. You hear me say? Great sacrifice, because Saturday is basically the one day that I get to do whatever it is that I have to do, especially during the morning period. So when I leave my home on a Saturday, yeah, man, sacrifice, and it must be something important. Anything can't get me out of my house on a Saturday morning or a Saturday or say, but come here. Yeah. No, make your water let out. Really? Because now it's machine fish tonight. Oh, mighty God. Yes, you're ready, guys. You know them get it? Oh god, the driver there, guys. The driver there. So I'm just gonna run this through me here. Quick and fast. Not even I do good. Why, boomy. Driver there. I don't know what she put on damn jammy dress. I'm gonna put on my white hat. Put on my white hat. I put on my white hat. Yes guys, the driver out there. As the mother say a long time he out there. Me she come tell me say driver out here and wait for me. She don't come tell me nothing. Not that I couldn't do anything about it, but because I'm moving as fast as I possibly can. You like the lighting. See how the lighting still guys? I buy them pencil here. Shein. Love them. Love them gone to bed. Tell me say. One of my next shirt is staying in a vehicle out there. Miserable like myself there. You tell me how long they out there wait for me. Alright, I'm out there. Woo! Turn off the lights. Basically ready guys. Basically ready, so. Yes, my people. Yes, you ready? I'm gonna touch your room. I am back home from the funeral and I am going to wash. I am going to finish up my washing. No time after 2 now. Funeral not finished, but them reach pretty close to finish. My battery are dead because I use the phone for live stream. I'm tired. I can't see my face. I'm tired, don't it? Yeah man, I'm tired and something, but I'm gonna finish wash. I have about 2 load of clothes. 2 load of clothes. I'm gonna finish washing now. And yeah, lesson plan later. It's good to be last clip on this little vlog because I don't know. I can't show them I wash all of these things. Make sure I wipe out and whatever before I leave this morning. So most of that done. So it's just for me to go finish wash those 2 loads. Machine I catch water and something. Yeah. So that's where it is for me right now. I talk to them, I look at that space and show. Guys, I'm tired. The time is so hot. Oh my god. The heat is on. I want to take off the area, guys. Wanna think? Take it off? Wanna think? Take off here? I don't know. Oh god, oh god, oh. Time hot, man. I'll probably wear my short wig for work this week. You know, not wait tonight. It's a go on. It's still a go on. It's still a go on. It's still a go on. But, you know. Yeah. Me telling us send me did a go weed out my husband clothes, don't it? Actually because them pack up in a box. Me carry them, come on. We store the garbage. You know, normal guys. And you see when you see this, because you not go miss clothes them, you know. You not miss clothes them. My video I go see. And no say. Me weed. Alright. Me have some socks in the bag. When me just have a weed out with it too. You see it? 1 bag of socks. I buy 20 pair of socks for my husband and he still decides say he want wear them the same way. throw them out already, you know. And he go find them and pick them up back. So guess what? When time you see the video, yeah, it's all too late for the socks. Yeah, man. Yeah, we do it. So, up here for the calabash. More cost me for socks them, but me not care. 20 pair of new socks I buy for him. 20 pair of socks I buy. Wear them. Dash way old socks them.